Welcome to the Starlink Antenna Installation Guide with Global Satellite Group. Follow these steps to ensure a successful setup of your Starlink system. Once your kit arrives, it will have everything you need to connect to the internet. Let's start with the essentials. First up, we have the flat high-performance antenna. This advanced antenna is designed to deliver exceptional performance and reliability. Next, we have the wedge mount, perfect for securing your antenna in place. Here's the power supply with a convenient wall mount for easy installation. Included are a 25-meter power over Ethernet cable and a 5-meter Ethernet cable, giving you flexibility with your setup. And here's the 1.8-meter AC cable for your power supply. Next, we have the Gen 3 Wi-Fi router kit, featuring the Starlink plug, RJ45 cover, power supply, and various cables. Included are the 1.5-meter Gen 3 router Ethernet cable and the 1.5-meter Gen 3 router AC power cable. And that's everything included in your Starlink box. With these components, you're all set for a seamless and high-performance internet experience. Now download the app to learn more on how to set it up and optimize its connection. Use the obstructions tool in the app to find an ideal location for your Starlink. You will need a clear view of the sky to stay connected to the satellite network. Open the kickstand on the back of the Starlink and insert the provided cable. Next, insert the other end of the Starlink cable and the power supply cable into the router. When ready, plug the power supply into a standard wall outlet. Using the app, follow the prompts to perform an initial setup of your Starlink. Once it's found a satellite connection, it will automatically determine its alignment and notify you through the app if it's misaligned. If a manual alignment is needed, follow the directions in the app to optimize your connection. Once you've set up your Starlink, we recommend using the app to configure your router. After setup is complete, you are ready to connect to the internet. For best performance, be sure to permanently install your Starlink. To learn more about your Starlink or to contact our support team, visit globalsatellite.us.